Today we are going to continue our work on construction. Most of you have already completed a perpendicular bisector, an angle bisector and an equilateral triangle, and completed a step-by-step guide for each of these. If you haven't already done this, please continue with this task. Those of you who have not started any of these and require help, please speak to someone on your table that has already constructed each of these. If you have already done each of these tasks and you're not helping someone else, you will be moving on to constructing side-side-side triangles. For this, you'll be given a diagram of a side-side-side triangle, or be given the information in written form. Now, to be able to do this, you require a ruler and a compass. To start off with, we will be drawing the baseline of our triangle, which is 8 centimeters. So using my ruler, I'm going to draw an 8 centimeter line. We're then going to draw each side of the triangle. Now, to be able to do this, I need to find my vertex point here. I know it's 7 centimeters away from this point. So I'm going to set my compass to 7 centimeters from the left hand corner of my triangle, and I'm going to draw an arc. The next piece of information, I know that my point is 6 centimeters away from this end of my triangle. So I'm going to put my compass needle on the other end of the line, set my compass to 6 centimeters, and then draw another arc. This has given me my final vertex, my final corner. This allows me to now join up each end of my baseline to my final vertex. And you should see that I'm now forming my triangle. Now, what you must do is label your triangle. So I've got this side, which is 7 centimeters, my baseline, which is 8 centimeters, and this side of my triangle, which is 6 centimeters. Now I'll go through this again. I first of all draw my baseline of 12 centimeters using my ruler. I then need to draw my 8 centimeters arc to help me find my vertex at the top here from the end of my baseline, so my first corner, which is here. So I set my compass at 8 centimeters. I place the needle on the end of the baseline, and I'm going to draw my arc. Next piece of information I know is that it is 5 centimeters away from the other end of the line. So I'm going to set my compass to 5 centimeters, put my needle on the end of my baseline and draw an arc. So this point where the arcs cross is the top vertex, the top corner of my triangle. So using a ruler, I'm now going to join the corners of my triangle together. So that I form my triangle. And there we have it. Remembering to label your triangle at the end. There we have it. Have a go at the questions on the sheet. Make sure you ask each other for help if required, and I will go through and mark these